What's up, fellow developers? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back to my channel. And you already know that in our channel we have already started a new series on JavaScript, and in this series we are going to solve some random problems on JavaScript. So before I dive into the topic, I'd like to mention that this video is going to be for those people who already are familiar with JavaScript. As I have already mentioned that we are going to solve some random problems. So we are going to pick up our problems from a very famous website which is called HackerRank.com, and we already have solved these two problems. First one is hello world problem and second one is data types. So in this video we are going to solve the day one problem, which is arithmetic operators. Okay, so before you start, I'd like to mention, please read objective, task, input format and output format so that you can complete your problem very easily. So we're given two tasks here, and first one is we have to complete the function which is called getArea, and it is containing two parameters. First one is length and second one is width, although the second function is also containing the same parameters. Okay, so we'll talk about later about that function. So first function we are given, which is the getArea, and we have to calculate the area of a rectangle. So firstly I would like to clear those things because I don't need this thing to calculate an area of a rectangle. So I'll do just a simple thing, that is I'm going to multiply the length with the width, and I will return this thing, and this is my area of a rectangle, right? Okay, so I'm done with the first function, and second function is get perimeter. So we'll move to the second function, and in this function we will also clear those things because we don't need those things. We can calculate the perimeter of a rectangle using this formula: 2 into length plus width, and I'm going to return this thing, and I hope these two functions will work perfectly. So run the code, and I hope this code will run perfectly. And you can see our code has already passed the sample test case. So I'm going to submit this code, and as expected you can see our code has already passed all the test cases. So we'll move to the next challenge, and I'll solve this challenge in the next video. So I'm going to wrap up this video here. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So thank you everyone, have a good day.